What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Telegram channel on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Start by opening the Telegram application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for the edit icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will reveal a menu with various options. Among these, you'll find the New Channel option, which you need to select to begin the process of creating your channel. After selecting New Channel, you'll be prompted to enter the name of your channel. This name should reflect the purpose or theme of your channel. At this stage, you also have the option to set an avatar for your channel. While this is optional, adding an avatar can make your channel more recognizable and appealing to potential subscribers. Next, you have the option to add a description to your channel. Although optional, a brief description can provide potential subscribers with insight into the content and purpose of your channel. When done, tap on Next. You will now be prompted to determine your channel's type. A crucial part of channel creation involves deciding whether your channel will be public or private. A public channel is discoverable in search results, allowing anyone to join. In contrast, a private channel is only accessible through a direct link you share, offering more control over membership. If you opt for a public channel, you need to choose a custom public link. This link serves as a unique identifier and access point for your channel. Tap on Next when done. After setting up the basics, Telegram will now prompt you to add subscribers from your contact list immediately. This step is optional and can be skipped if you prefer to invite members differently or at a later time. Upon completing these steps, your Telegram channel will be created successfully. You are now ready to start broadcasting messages, media, and more to your subscribers. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.